we're gonna make a video.
What's up, everybody? So today I have 2 more days left of school. Brother and sister are playing the trampoline with the sprinkler, and for a while we've had a birdhouse been up, and we've been seeing Carolina Wrens going into it, a family. So today we're going to check it out and see if there's a bird nest we might take it apart. We need to get a ladder and a drill. I see the drillers right here. The ladder's all the way over there. Enjoy the slow motion footage of my brother and sister playing the sprinkler while I go get the ladder.
Excuse me, sir. Is it tough carrying this ladder like this?
Yes.
Why don't you just collapse it then carry it?
Because I don't think that well. All right, now let's take off the front bit and look at the nest. I can already see it through here.
That's going to fall as soon as you pull it out.
Man, it's like packed in here. You can see,
I think there's last year's nest is in there too. We didn't clean it out.
yeah, you can see leaves, twigs, moss, plastic wrappers in there. I see a little bit of metal wire.
Isn't that cool how God made them to make their nest like that?
Yeah,
they're very resourceful, aren't they?
Yeah, it's really cool how they can take anything they want.
All right, let's climb down and let Amy climb there and see.
There's even bird poop in here.
Ew. Go wash your hands in the sprinkler real quick.
Now I'm gonna go check it out.
Tell me what you see in there.
Well, it's like a big hole. Yes, stop. I see plastic. Bunch of plastic wrappers. And moss. It looks like a hummingbird hole because there's like a big hole in there. It looks like there's a last year's nest in there.
Hey, Carl, what are you gonna do?
I don't know, but I'm gonna check up there.
What's up there?
Bird toot.
What?
I mean bird nest.
Nope, just a bird nest. What you see in there?
A bird nest.
Yep.
Let's pull this out in slow motion. All right, now let's take a look inside.
Thread? What is that right there? Shine your light on that. Look at all that. What is that blue stuff?
Whatever it is, looks like it came from something
Look at
blue.
it. It's blue as fishing line. That's not our fishing line. We don't have blue fish. That's cool.
What I like about it is how the birds like made it like so cozy and packed in, so he can stay inside for chicks or whatever's living in here. You can tell how much they wanted packed it in for
I see
heat.
a lot of lily hair in here too.
Yeah, dog hair.
All right, should we dissect it or keep it the way it is?
I want to keep it the way it
Where
is.
are you gonna put it?
I don't know. I might put it on my shelf with all my other
You
stuff,
ain't putting it in your room, I'll tell you that much. Maybe we can put it in the greenhouse
or the garage.
or the garage. Let's go put the lid back on the birdhouse and we'll call it a day. It's gotta go up. You blew it out, but that's okay.
All right, now we're ready for the next bird family living here, and hopefully next time we'll get to look at their nests too.